In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can leverage the tool Google Insights to help us manage our research in building a targeted database for keywords, trending topics and phrases, and geo-specific data for job verticals and titles that you may be searching for your requisitions. In the Google search criteria bar, go ahead and type in Google Insights, and this will bring you to the main dashboard. Now, for our purposes, there's really three main areas, and that's the compared by, search terms, and the filter. For this specific example, I'm going to search the keyword terms cell biology. And I'm going to keep the filters the same with the exception of location. Let's just narrow that down to the United States, but I'm going to keep it broad. So I'm not going to choose a specific subregion or metro. Let's just keep it at the US and click search. Now this will bring you to a results page that's broken down into a few key areas. And that's the interest over time, the regional interest for the terms cell biology, and then the search terms related to cell biology in top searches as well as rising searches. And we'll go through all of that in just a second. But let's take a look at the interest over time. As I'm running my cursor over the trend line here, the trending line, you'll notice a dot that follows the cursor, and then in the upper right hand corner of the box you'll notice specific dates. So as you click this dot, you'll actually get some very good specific information for the specific date that it correlates to at the top of the box. But let's jump down to the regional interest for cell biology. Now, and this is very interesting because if you're ever working on a requisition that you may have trouble finding good candidates for, or a volume of candidates for, leveraging Google Insights will allow you to target specific key areas. So the fact that we're searching the United States in a broad search will allow us to see the top 10 locations in the United States for the search term cell biology. So for example, let's just click what Google's showing as the top location, which is Maryland. As you click that, you'll notice that Maryland's broken down into 4 metro areas: Baltimore, Pittsburgh, Washington, and Salisbury. Now you'll notice Baltimore is ranked at 100, and then Pittsburgh 78, Washington 53, and Salisbury at 0. This will allow you to see specific areas or metro areas that you can now target for cell biology, and then you can run a zip code search and obviously find some targeted candidates that way. Let's take a look at the next section below regional interest, and that is the search terms related to cell biology. Now this section of the results page is very, very important because in building your search strings or building your searches, whether it's for a job board, LinkedIn, or just Google, or just any internet browser, keywords are crucial. Now these statistics for these keywords come from Google searching, so your most relevant searches will probably be on Google. However, I would probably say that across all search engines you're going to find the results to be quite similar. So here's a listing of top 10. Now if you actually click on any of these keywords, you'll be brought to another set of keywords that are relevant to the specific keyword that you clicked on. So if I were to click molecular biology cell, then I'm going to get a list of relevant keywords that people are searching to get to that specific keyword phrase. Now on the right hand side, you'll notice rising searches. This is very interesting because although they're not in top 10, they are the top 10 hottest or rising searches pertaining to cell biology. So through searching stem cell biology, you'll get to cell biology, or nature cell biology, you're going to get to cell biology, or the cell, or molecular cell. Same thing. Now as you incorporate these terms and these locations into your searches, what you're gonna find is that you're able to build a much more robust search, but keep your results refined and targeted for your specific requisition.